How to make friends list private on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on your profile over here. And as you tap on it, you can tap on the three dotted lines beside edit profile, and here you can see the option of lock profile. So when you lock the profile as well, a lot of people do not get the access to see your friends list. It becomes private. Next, what you can do is go back and launch the settings application or the settings option. Scroll down, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of how people find and contact you. Now tap on it, and as you can see here, you have an option to who can see your friends list. You can just tap on it and select on only me rather than friends or public or anything else, and this will help you to make friends list private on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.